Hi everyone, on today's Mixology video, we're mixing a New Year's Eve shot to send out 2020 in style, including some great quality ingredients with Grey Goose vodka, Chambord black raspberry liqueur, and a little bit of lime juice to give you a great sweet and sour shot for all your New Year's Eve fun. So thanks everyone for watching today's Mixology video. Don't forget to stop on down to Glencoe Wine and Spirits, pick up your New Year's Eve supplies, your champagne, your bubblies, wines, any other types of products that you need for your New Year's Eve festivities. Happy New Year's from all of us here at Glencoe Wine and Spirits.